Very late start to today's vlog. I do not feel good. I think my son got me sick. So I'm making chicken noodle soup for dinner, and we are gonna see if that makes me feel any better because I feel so unwell right now. I think I'm gonna get some red wine vinegar just to have like for the house because I don't have any. I also don't have any white wine vinegar. These are my favorite for making, I fucking lost my train of thought. These are my favorite for making chicken noodle soup, okay? Some coffee creamer, if I can reach it. So far back there. Okay, little grocery haul. Very little. Emphasis on the little. We got thyme, which I already had at home. Chobani coffee creamer, which is my favorite, and this time I went with the caramel macchiato. I got red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar, Dave's Killer Bread. This is the best bread besides sourdough bread. I got these noodles for my chicken noodle soup, and then some Black Forest ham for my husband, not for me because I don't eat this.
It's good. Severely. Harley, move. Harley. Good girl, move. No, move. Before I get some food. I know, crazy. Focus. No. 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 Totally ready.
It's really good. You should try it. I know it's like your least favorite soup, but
Okay. Hey, Bubbers, look at this.
Yep, wait, stay right there. I ordered a water bottle that I said I would never order because I love Yetis, but I have caved. This is like not right. And I ordered a Stanley. And then I ordered 2 stickers. Wow, they came way bigger than I thought. I got this sticker for my water bottle. And then I got this one for his trike. But these are like huge. I was thinking it was going to be smaller. But let's unbox the water bottle. I'm so excited. Hey, careful. Careful. When I saw this color, I was like, I can't pass it up. Here, Bubba. Here. Oh, I love it. I love it. I am officially a Stanley girl. I love it. With this, okay, this sticker is way too big to go on here. I can't do that. Okay, what are you doing, little man? Insane. But I love this. I'm gonna go fill it up with water right now because I don't feel good and I need to hydrate, but I love it. Yeti always comes with a sticker. I wonder if this does. Instructions or safety or whatever, and then this. No sticker. Oh my god, I'm so happy. It's the little things, you guys. Do you like it, Bubba? You want to hold it? Whoa. That's Mama's. Okay, we need to wash it.